Hi, I'm Tyler. Today we're going to go over the proper use of a centrifuge. Centrifuges are useful for separating substances that have different densities. The centrifuges available to you have a rotating control dial. This dial controls how long the centrifuge will run. Note that the times shown are in minutes. Never turn the dial to the infinity symbol. You will need to load your test tubes in a manner that distributes the weight in the centrifuge. An unbalanced centrifuge can be dangerous or even disastrous. Acceptable configurations are as follows. 2 tubes may be placed directly across from each other. 3 tubes may be placed in a triangle shape. 4 tubes may be placed in a square shape. Or 6 tubes may be used to fill the entire carousel. When one needs to centrifuge 1 or 5 samples, it's necessary to make a blank test tube to help balance the centrifuge. To make a blank, simply fill a clean test tube of the same size with water to approximately the same height as the sample test tube. Then you can use the 2 or 6 tube configurations to balance the centrifuge. Let's walk through an example. I've just completed a precipitation reaction. Now I wish to separate the solid and liquid layers. First, I remove the cork. I have only one test tube, so I will need to make a blank. Now I can place the test tubes across from each other in the centrifuge, close the lid, and set the dial. For most experiments, you should be alright with setting the dial to about 1 or 2 minutes. When the centrifuge is done, allow it to come to a complete stop naturally. Then open the lid and obtain your samples. Forcing the centrifuge to stop with your hands is not only dangerous, but will likely agitate the mixture you just separated. If a test tube breaks in the centrifuge, please let your TA know. They can take care of cleaning the broken glass and get the centrifuge ready for its next use.